know what it is. We down here in Plainfield, New Jersey at G Wiz. Having the bike and old car show competition. My man Vocal, road captain. He got his Harley out. So we're gonna see what's good out here in Plainfield, New Jersey. We out here on South Avenue, right across from McDonald's. Got my son out here with me. It was his birthday yesterday. He just turned 19. Mr. G Wiz right there, and car and bike show. Got the trophies on deck. We're gonna see what's good. We're gonna really see what's good. It'd be nice to come home with one of these trophies. So got the motorcycle, got the cars. You know what I mean? Got some foreigns out here, got some Americans, got some Cadillacs, some Oldsmobiles. Exotic looking cars, Beamers, paint jobs. So you know, we're gonna see what's gonna be good out here. Man got his Suzuki Hayabusa. See Mitsubishi, some Nissans, cheese box Audi. You know what I'm saying? Already know what it is. Got some slingshots, got some trackers, Suzuki trackers, got some Toyota pickups, some more Hondas and Acuras. And of course we got the Jeeps over here, got the Jeeps on deck, big tires. All the Jeep Wranglers lined up. The white walls on the Buick. Fly spinners on the rims. Yo, so that's the Impala I had.
You had that one?
That made my wife maybe get rid of that shit. It needed work. The bottom was all rusted, but it needed work. Just like that.
Yeah. Nah, I'd have kept that.
They only made it like 3 years, like 95, 96, 97. I had a 97.
This thing lit, man.
They came in burgundy, came in blue, came in black. Dude came and bought it right out my yard.
Local guy, or he bought it for like?
Nah, he came out of state. Came out of state.
That's like my red Mustang. When I saw my red Mustang, my 93 red Mustang. That thing, somebody bought it from upstate New York.
I bought that downtown Newark, not downtown Newark, but down in Newark at a used car lot. I paid like $5,000 for it. Got the autistic Plainfield police. Right here, right across from McDonald's. Got some vendors out here. You good? Boom. So we see what it do. We'll come back.